In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix internet not working on your Windows. So let's get started. So first is we have to simply press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Here you need to simply type ncpa.cpl. That's ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Now you need to locate your Wi-Fi, and here you can see that this is disabled, so you just need to make a right click and then select enable. Now once that is enabled, then that will identify for the connection on your Windows and will let you connect to your Wi-Fi connection. Okay, now we are connected. Next method, right click at the start button, and here you have to open the device manager window. Once the device manager window is open, we just need to simply locate network adapters, and here we need to look for our network adapter, and then we have to make a right click, select update driver, and then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and here I just need to simply choose one by one or choose the latest version there, which is at the beginning, and then you have to click on next. Then Windows will successfully update your drivers, so you just have to close everything from here, and then you have to click on the Wi-Fi icon, and as you can see, this is connecting to your Wi-Fi. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Then we just need to simply scroll down to the W section, and then here we need to look for the service Wi-Fi direct service connection manager. Double click, startup type, change that to automatic, and then click on apply and click on start and click on OK, and then scroll down to the Windows Update Service, and then make a right click, select properties, startup type, that should be automatic, click on apply, click on start, and click on OK, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.